Wow, Speaker 2, just look at this place. The Belvedere Palace is even more magnificent in real life than it is in the pictures.
It is absolutely breathtaking, isn't it? The architecture is so grand and elegant, and the gardens are so beautiful and perfectly maintained.
It feels like we are walking into a fairy tale. I can't believe this used to be someone's summer residence. It's incredible.
It is. But as beautiful as the outside is, I am even more excited to see the treasures that are waiting for us on the inside.
Me too. I have wanted to visit this art gallery for such a long time. It has one of the most famous art collections in the world.
I know. I can't wait to see all the famous paintings. I am especially excited about seeing the works by the Austrian artist Gustav Klimt.
Of course. Seeing his iconic painting, The Kiss, in person is the main reason we are here today. I have a feeling this is going to be a very memorable and inspiring visit.
Okay, we are inside the main entrance hall now. It is just as grand as the outside. First things first, we need to buy our tickets.
Right. The ticket counter, or the casa, is just over there. It looks like there isn't a very long queue, which is good. How much is the entrance fee?
I checked on the website this morning. I think it is 18 euros per person for a standard adult ticket.
That sounds reasonable for a world-class art museum. While we are at the counter, I have an idea. Should we get an audio guide?
An audio guide, that is a brilliant suggestion. It's like having your own personal tour guide. You get a small device with headphones, and it tells you interesting facts and stories about the most important paintings.
Exactly. It really helps you to understand and appreciate the art so much more. I will ask for 2 audio guides in English, please.
Great. And we should also pick up a gallery map. A big museum like this can be quite confusing, and a map will help us to navigate and make sure we don't miss any of the important rooms.
Okay, we have our tickets, our audio guides, and our gallery map. We are ready to begin our artistic adventure. Where should we start?
According to the map, this first large gallery on the right is the collection of international art from the 19th century. It looks like it features a lot of French Impressionist painters.
I love Impressionism. Let's definitely start in here. Wow, this is a beautiful room. The walls are a lovely dark red color, which makes the paintings stand out.
They do. And look at this painting here on the left. I recognize the style. It must be a Monet.
You are right. The label says it is The Gardener's House at Giverny by Claude Monet. It is beautiful.
It is. I love the way the Impressionists painted light. Look at the short, thick brushstrokes. It's not a very detailed or realistic painting up close.
But if you step back, the colors all blend together, and you get a wonderful impression of a sunny garden. You can almost feel the warmth of the afternoon sun.
That is the magic of Impressionism. It's all about capturing a fleeting moment and a feeling, not just the exact details. I am so glad we got the audio guides. The story behind that Monet painting was so interesting. Now, what do you think of this next painting?
Let me see. It's a portrait of a woman. To be honest, I am not a huge fan of this one.
Oh, really? Why not? I think it's quite beautiful.
I'm not sure. I find the colors a little bit dark and gloomy, and the expression on the woman's face is very serious and sad. It doesn't make me feel very happy.
That's interesting. I see it differently. For me, her expression is not sad, but very thoughtful and mysterious. I wonder what she is thinking about.
And I find the style a bit flat. It's very different from the Monet painting, which was so full of life and light.
I agree it's very different, but I really like the artist's technique. I think the painting has a very calm and quiet beauty. It makes me feel very peaceful.
It just shows how subjective art is, doesn't it? We are looking at the same painting, but we have completely different feelings and interpretations.
That's what makes it so interesting to visit a gallery with another person. It's fun to share your different opinions.
I have really enjoyed this room of French Impressionism, but I think I am ready to see the main attraction now.
I know what you mean. It's time to see the collection of Austrian art from the turn of the century. It's the most famous part of this museum.
Let me just look at the gallery map to see which way we need to go. Okay, it looks like we need to go up the grand staircase to the first floor.
The grand staircase itself is a work of art. Look at the marble and the gold decorations. This palace is so opulent.
It is. Okay, we are on the first floor now. The sign here says Vienna, 1880 to 1914. This is the right section.
I can already feel a different atmosphere in these rooms. The art on the walls is so different. It's the period of symbolism and the beginning of expressionism.
It feels very dramatic and very modern. I am so excited. I know that the kiss is in this section somewhere. It's like waiting to meet a famous celebrity.
I think this is the room. Look at the number of people in here. Everyone is gathered in the middle of the room, looking at that one painting on the far wall.
You are right. That must be it. Let's try to get a bit closer. Wow. There it is. The Kiss by Gustav Klimt.
It is so much more incredible in real life. The pictures you see in books just do not do it justice.
They really don't. The size of it is amazing. It's a huge square canvas. And the gold. I didn't realize that he used actual gold leaf in the painting.
He did. Look at how it shines and reflects the light. It makes the painting feel so precious and divine. It's almost like a religious icon.
It is. And the patterns in the clothes of the two figures are so intricate and beautiful. The man's cloak has strong rectangular patterns, and the woman's dress is full of soft circular patterns.
It's a painting that is full of emotion. You can really feel the passion and the tenderness of the embrace. It's so romantic and powerful.
It is a true masterpiece. I think I could stand here and look at it all day.
I will never forget seeing the kiss in person. It was a truly magical experience.
I agree. It is a painting that stays with you. Now, this gallery also has a wonderful collection of sculptures. Shall we go and have a look at that section?
Yes, let's do that. It will be a nice change to look at some three-dimensional art after seeing so many paintings.
I agree. It's a very different experience. With a painting, you stand in one spot and look at it. But with a sculpture, you can walk all the way around it and see it from different angles.
That's a great point. Look at this one here. It's a beautiful statue of a dancer made of bronze. The sense of movement the artist has created is amazing.
It is. She really looks like she is in the middle of a graceful dance. And over here is a sculpture made of white marble.
This one is a portrait bust, just the head and shoulders of a man. The artist has captured his personality so well. Look at the detail in his hair and his beard.
It's incredible to think that this was carved from a single hard block of stone. The skill of the sculptor is just breathtaking.
I will never forget seeing the kiss in person. It was a truly magical experience.
I agree. It is a painting that stays with you. Now, this gallery also has a wonderful collection of sculptures. Shall we go and have a look at that section?
Yes, let's do that. It will be a nice change to look at some three-dimensional art after seeing so many paintings.
I agree. It's a very different experience. With a painting, you stand in one spot and look at it. But with a sculpture, you can walk all the way around it and see it from different angles.
That's a great point. Look at this one here. It's a beautiful statue of a dancer made of bronze. The sense of movement the artist has created is amazing.
It is. She really looks like she is in the middle of a graceful dance. And over here is a sculpture made of white marble.
This one is a portrait bust, just the head and shoulders of a man. The artist has captured his personality so well. Look at the detail in his hair and his beard.
It's incredible to think that this was carved from a single, hard block of stone. The skill of the sculptor is just breathtaking. That was a lovely break. The coffee was excellent, and my slice of Sachertorte was delicious. I feel re-energized and ready to see the rest of the museum.
Me too. That was the perfect way to recover from our gallery fatigue. So, before we leave the museum, there is one last place we have to visit.
What is that?
The gift shop. I love museum gift shops. It's a great place to buy a souvenir to remember your visit.
That's a great idea. And a museum gift shop is also a wonderful place to buy unique and intelligent presents for your friends and family.
It is. Let's go and have a look. Wow, they have so many beautiful things. I love all the books about art history.
And look at all the postcards with pictures of the famous paintings. I think I will buy a few of these to send to my family. A postcard from the Belvedere is much nicer than a normal tourist postcard.
I am very tempted to buy a poster. I would love to have a high-quality print of The Kiss to hang on the wall in my apartment. It would be a beautiful memory of our day.
You should definitely get it. It will look fantastic.
Okay, I have bought my beautiful poster, and you have your postcards. I think our visit to the Belvedere Palace is complete.
It has been a truly wonderful day. Thank you for suggesting we come here. I have enjoyed every minute of it.
Me too. It was so inspiring to be surrounded by so much beauty and history. It really feeds your soul, doesn't it?
It really does. It makes you see the world a little bit differently. I feel so cultured and sophisticated now.
Haha, me too. I feel like I should be discussing philosophy and poetry.
This has made me realize that we should visit museums more often. There are so many amazing galleries in Vienna, and we are so lucky to live here.
You are so right. We should make a plan to visit another one soon. Have you ever been to the Leopold Museum? A friend recommended it to me recently.
I have, and it is fantastic. It has a completely different collection with lots of modern Austrian art. Let's make a plan to go there together in a few weeks.
It's a date. But for now, let's go and enjoy the rest of this beautiful sunny afternoon in the palace gardens.